Wielu twardzieli żyje w przekonaniu, że mogą wszystko, a prawo ich nie dotyczy. Ale kiedy trafiają na funkcjonariuszy, szybko przekonują się, gdzie tak naprawdę jest ich miejsce.
Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! I'm not asking you anymore!
Take that vest off. Come on. Take that vest off for me. Come on. Take that vest off, you know. Come on, take that Let's get it. All right, let's get it, bro.
I'm treated like a less than zero. I'm talking to you like a man. Well, I'm talking to you like a man.
W pierwszym materiale mężczyzna chciał udawać twardziela przed swoją dziewczyną. Natomiast nie był to najlepszy pomysł.
What's the issue? Why are you talking shit to my girl?
Walk away now. Walk away or I'm gonna place you under arrest.
You gonna place me under arrest?
Yes, walk away.
Yeah, homie. You wanna do what's good?
19 grudnia 2024 roku funkcjonariusz zatrzymał 2 pojazdy za przekroczenie prędkości i podszedł do jednego z nich. Natomiast drugi kierowca wysiadł ze swojego pojazdu i skierował się w stronę funkcjonariusza.
What's up? You're both getting tickets. You're both going 50. She was 4 inches from your
Okay,
bumper.
so you're not gonna get both of our speeding honors at the same time. So that. What's the issue? Why are you talking shit to my girl?
Walk away now. Walk away or I'm gonna place you under arrest.
You gonna place me under arrest?
Yes,
Let's
walk
get
away.
busy then, homie. You wanna do what's good?
Sit down on the curb now.
I'm not doing
Sit down on the curb or you're gonna be down on the curb. Spray you with pepper
I
spray.
will knock you to
Down on the curb. Sit down. Sit down.
That's a threat.
Now. I am threatening you. Sit down on the curb.
All right, record this all right now.
Now.
Record this all right
Sit down on the curb. Last chance. Sit down. You are under arrest.
I'm not
Put
under
your hands
arrest.
on the car
If you
right
touch me,
now.
I'll rock.
Put your hands on the car now.
Hey, what's up?
Put your hands on the car.
What's up?
You will get sprayed.
I don't go. What's up?
John, take a step back here. Put your hands on the car now. You're getting sprayed. Last chance. Last
For
chance.
what? For what? For what?
Are you kidding me?
You're on camera.
For
everywhere.
threatening me? Are you kidding me?
Threaten me.
Oh my God. Put your hands on the car. You're getting sprayed.
What?
Last chance.
How's this?
Perfect. Perfect. If you hit me, I'm just letting you know.
Arrest me, homie.
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're under arrest. Come over here now.
For what?
Come over here now.
For what?
What do you think is going to happen here,
What do
sir?
you think is gonna happen? You're not arresting me.
I am 100% arresting you. You are being charged. Get in the car, ma'am.
I didn't do shit wrong.
I'm telling you right now, do not walk away.
What, bro? What? I didn't do
Come here,
shit
man.
wrong. You just sprayed me with pepper spray.
Let him go, John. Let him go. What does he drop? What did he drop?
Problem, bro.
Get on the ground.
Stop coming
Now.
at me right now. I didn't do
Get on the ground now.
spraying me with pepper spray.
Get on the ground.
I didn't
I'm not asking you anymore. Get on the ground.
wrong.
Get on the
I
ground.
didn't.
Get on the
You're
ground.
superintendent right now.
I am the supervisor.
So why are you spraying me?
Get on the ground.
Why are you spraying
Get
me?
on the ground.
Why are you spraying me?
Get on the ground.
Why are you
We're gonna
spraying
go
me?
hands on with you, man.
I'm not trying to fight
I
you.
don't
Why
want to
are
hurt
spraying
you.
me, brother?
Get on the
Why are
ground.
you spraying? I'll get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Okay.
Get on the ground.
Why are you spraying
Now.
me? Why are you spraying
This is not a negotiation. Get on the
me?
ground.
Spray me.
I'm gonna spray you again if you don't get on the ground.
What?
Get on the ground. You are under arrest for disorderly conduct. Get on the ground.
What?
Last chance.
I'm on the ground.
Get your body on the ground
I am
now.
on the ground.
Get your body on the ground now. Put your belly on the ground. Last
I'm getting
chance.
around.
Your body on the ground. Hands behind your back. Now. Hands behind your
Why
back.
are you arresting me? I'm arresting you. I have the right to know why you're arresting
Nie było jasne, dlaczego mężczyzna był tak zdenerwowany rozmową funkcjonariusza z jego dziewczyną, ale szybko zdał sobie sprawę, że policjant nie żartuje. Jednak mężczyzna nie był jedynym problemem, z jakim musieli sobie poradzić policjanci.
Ma'am, just stand by your car and you can turn for disorderly conduct. How many more times do I need to explain it to you? Turn away from me.
No, I know my rights. I can stand wherever I want.
Ma'am, last chance. You either back away or you're going to be arrested too.
For what?
Just step back to your car. The video camera works.
Here, I'm fine.
Stop.
I'm telling you to back up, dude. You guys don't have the right to arrest me.
Please just back away from
I
me.
am standing here. I'm not doing anything.
Keep an eye on her.
I'm telling you right now.
Stop. Get your hand out of your
This
pocket.
is my wallet right now.
So aggressive with him.
Can you back them up, Sarge, please? Back her up.
Kobieta również uważała, że funkcjonariusze nie mieli racji, ale nie była agresywna i otrzymała tylko mandat za przekroczenie prędkości. Natomiast jej chłopak został zabrany na komisariat, gdzie stał się jeszcze bardziej agresywny.
Are you calm?
No, I'm not calm. Let the take off. You find out how calm I am.
Can you stop
Take
threatening
the
me? Hey, don't push into me when you get it off, man.
Yeah, we'll do whatever the want. I promise you. If I get these cuts off me when I'm near you, you're hard time.
All right, man. I'll make you a deal, and I'll make you a deal now, okay? If you
What's up?
Stop.
What's up? You make me a deal about what? You make me a deal about what? You ain't about right now. You make a deal about what? Yo, you make a deal about what?
Next
You never arrest me.
Next step is you're getting charged with assault, bro.
Yeah, next time, I promise you, I'm gonna split that. I didn't even arrest you. You want to talk shit? Fucking little woman. You're a you know that, right? You're straight.
Are you done? The second you come in and we can do this, I can let you go.
I promise you, when you let me go, I'll see you soon. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna have to charge you with threatening me, dude.
That's not a threat.
You don't think so?
I'm gonna see you soon.
I think it might be.
I live in the neighborhood.
See that chair with the black chair in the room? Go ahead.
Don't touch me again.
I have to touch you.
Don't touch me again, I said.
Get over here now.
What?
You are not in
What?
charge. Move. Move now. That's it. That's assault, bro. Turn your body and put your face. Do it now.
Ostatecznie został oskarżony o zakłócanie porządku, stawianie oporu podczas aresztowania oraz przekroczenie prędkości. W następnym materiale 20-letni chłopak został zatrzymany tak szybko, że skłamał, że jest nieletni, aby uniknąć aresztowania.
Put your hand there on your back. I'm a minder. So why'd you get in my face? What, you gonna hit me?
4 maja 2022 roku funkcjonariusze zostali wezwani do kompleksu apartamentów w związku z zakłócaniem porządku na parkingu.
What car you in?
I ain't in any of these.
Let's go then. You gotta get out. Let's go.
Nah, I don't gotta go nowhere. I
live here.
I don't got. Yeah, I live here. You don't got.
Okay, what's
what
your
you walking up on me like that for? What's up?
What's your address?
Take that vest off. Come on.
Take that vest off for
Come on. Take that vest off. You know. Come on. Take that. Let's get it.
All right,
Let's get it, bro. What's up? Come on. Not take that. Let's get it.
Where do you live?
Your partner here like he's gonna do something. You ain't getting.
Where do you live, man?
I live right here. There ain't nothing about
What's
it.
your address?
Do something about it.
Huh?
How about that? Do something about it. Yeah.
Let me get your ID.
You ain't gonna get.
Okay.
Take it off and you'll see. Well, what you laughing for? I'm right in your. Take it off.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. I'm a minder. So why'd you get in my face? What, you gonna hit me? Huh? So why'd you get in my face then? I told you stop balling up his fist, right?
I did.
Okay, so why'd you get in my face? All right, stand up.
Not me too, sir.
Hey, doing that? Hey, back up. Hey, back up.
Back up, back up.
You do that? Hey, back up.
Now.
You do that, bro?
Back up. It's no big deal. It's no big deal.
Roll up on your side. Stand up.
You do that, bro.
Get back right now. Back up. Back up.
I got him right now.
What's wrong with y'all, man? What's wrong with y'all?
Nah, it's
Back up. Hey, back up. Back up now.
I got him.
Help, where you going? Die, bro.
It's all good. I ain't doing that. No, it's no big deal. It's no big deal. It's no big deal.
Sit down.
20-latek natychmiast uspokoił się po tym, jak został powalony na ziemię, ale jego brat chciał pokazać swoją determinację i zrobił to w najdziwniejszy sposób.
It's no big deal. I ain't do nothing.
I'm trying to help him. Joey!
It ain't no.
You let the man go to jail! I didn't have time to work on him.
I didn't do nothing.
You were about to hit me, dude.
I was not about to.
So why'd you ball your fist and get in my face?
Because, dude, you're running up on me.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I was just hyped up, dude.
Why's he going to jail?
If you get in my face, I'm
not in your face,
deal
bro.
with
I'm
him.
sitting as close as him is, and you don't have a problem with him, huh? I told you several chances. I said, hey, stop balling your fist. Chill out.
I apologize.
All right, I accept your apology, but
Seriously.
we didn't have to
No.
take it to this level, man.
I know. I'm sorry. I was just hyped up.
Well, you look like you were gonna hit me.
I know, and I apologize.
All right, why'd you have? What's all the balling up your fist?
Sorry, John. I'm just hyped up. That's all. There's a situation going on, sir. Honestly, I apologize.
Yeah, but listen, man. Listen to me. Anytime you come across police, you ball up your fist and get in somebody's face, I'm not, you know, what do you think? I'm gonna punch you back, I'm gonna let you punch me in the face?
No, I know, sir.
Chłopak został ostatecznie aresztowany i oskarżony o napaść na funkcjonariusza oraz noszenie broni, po tym jak funkcjonariusze znaleźli przy nim kastety. W następnym materiale mężczyzna poddał się zaraz po tym, jak założono mu kajdanki.
You're under arrest. Turn around and put your hands behind your back now.
Please, I'm asking you for mercy. Please.
19 grudnia 2024 roku funkcjonariusze zostali wezwani do banku w związku z agresywnym klientem, który chciał odzyskać swoje pieniądze.
I want my money now. I'm sick of the bullshit here. I'm treated like a less than zero.
I'm talking to you like a person.
Well, I'm talking to you like a man.
Okay, come outside.
No, I want to get my money now.
It's not gonna work out the way you think. I want you to.
Yes, it is.
All right, you can.
I own the fucking place.
10 things that you can do differently right now. All I'm asking you to do
Listen.
is step outside and talk to me.
Listen, you know, step back from me. You step the back from me. Stepping back.
Stop it. Hey, step back. Sir, turn around, put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
I put my hands
Listen,
on my
turn
back.
around.
I am not.
You're under arrest.
I'm
Turn
sorry.
around
I'm
and put your
sorry.
hands behind your back. Now you're gonna get tased.
I'm sorry.
Sir, do it now. We told you it's not gonna work out the way you want. Listen to us. We're not trying to hurt you.
I'm sorry, I said. Please. Okay. Please. Can you please stop?
Why do we gotta get to this point?
That's what I'm saying.
Why do we gotta get to this point?
I'm saying I'm
I talk to
sorry.
you like a man.
I'm sorry. I have a wedding today. I have a wedding today. Please. All I wanted to do was pick up my wife's jewelry.
Let go of the bag.
Went about it the wrong way.
Please. Please, I'm asking for mercy. Please.
You need to listen more.
I'm sorry.
Turn around.
I'm sorry. I just have to buy my wife's jewelry.
Mężczyzna nagle stał się spokojny, natomiast funkcjonariusze wiedzieli, że to wszystko podstęp, ponieważ kilka dni wcześniej przyszedł do banku i awanturował się, przez co kierownik banku nie chciał go na terenie budynku.
Sir,
Yeah.
Eddie, the branch manager of this branch, we met before. Okay, just give you a fair warning. You can't come back to this location ever again.
That's fine with me. I'm taking every dime out of here.
All right.
Over $100 million you're talking. I'm taking every dime out of here.
That warning extends for 1 year, okay?
Absolutely.
What is it that you want to know, Craig?
I want to know, why am I being arrested? I didn't do anything.
Ready?
Yeah, right. Yeah, I am ready.
To listen to me. You were in the bank causing an issue.
I did not cause an issue.
You gotta listen.
They were the issue.
I'm gonna explain to you one time. If you want to listen to me, I'm gonna explain to you, okay? I'm trying to be as respectful as I can towards you. This is what we got to the bank because you were acting aggressive towards people.
I was not.
Craig,
I
you gotta
was
listen to
not.
me. You want me to leave?
I was not.
Okay. When we got there,
Take these cuffs off of me. I don't belong having cuffs in Yeshua HaMashiach's name.
when we got there and tried to talk to you, you approached the deputy like you were gonna hit him. Okay?
No, he was approaching me.
No, you're all on video.
Yeah,
All
okay.
3 cameras.
Yeah,
right?
okay.
So you're
Yeah,
under
okay.
arrest. You're under
So what are
arrest
you,
for-
now? Got a bunch of pushes on him?
Hey,
Postawiono mu wiele zarzutów, w tym grożenie funkcjonariuszowi, ale kilka tygodni później wrócił do tego samego banku i zaczął pukać do drzwi, aby dostać się do środka, mimo że bank nie był wtedy otwarty, przez co został dodatkowo oskarżony o wtargnięcie. 5 lipca 2024 roku policjanci zostali wezwani do motelu po tym, jak personel poinformował ich, że długoterminowy gość przestał płacić oraz odmówił opuszczenia motelu.
So you don't have an active lease here, correct?
I want you guys to arrest me because you're gonna look really bad. You need to show how stupid you guys are.
You're not in handcuffs. If that's your opinion, cool.
Yeah, well, I think you're pretty stupid. I'm an MD, PhD. I'm a doctor. I'm a
Okay, that's fine.
pathologist.
I didn't ask for your educational background, okay?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, they want him gone, but he's saying he's lived here for 2 years.
yours. This is a motel, correct?
And
Yeah, it's a motel.
Hey, wait a
doesn't
minute.
matter. He has to have a leasing agreement.
No, I don't.
Because
No, I
it's a
do
month
not.
to
That
month.
is not
It's a
a law.
month to month thing. If
It's
he pays
not.
by the month, if he pays by the week, he pays by the
Okay,
day.
throw me out. Take me to gun club. I'm okay.
So right now, you don't have a lease here. You don't live here. You pay by night, correct?
Cash money every
Okay.
week.
So Deborah's requesting that you leave the property now, and she also wants you trespass from
And
here. Okay.
I can't do it. I've done nothing to...
Let's confirm it with her.
No, you confirm it with the owner.
Mężczyzna był wyraźnie wzburzony. Według niego motel był jego domem przez ostatnie 2 lata, a teraz został poproszony o opuszczenie go. Następnie funkcjonariusze postanowili porozmawiać z Debrą, która jest kierownikiem motelu.
My partner talked to you, but I want to get some information. So how long has this guy been here?
He's been here a while.
He was never provided a leasing agreement, or he was? Like, what's
No.
his like status here?
When you come here, you can either pay us by the day or pay us by the week. So long as you're not causing a problem and you pay your rent on time, you don't trash the room, you can stay.
Okay, and when was the last time you guys requested payment and he didn't pay you guys?
It was due yesterday. He was out of his mind yesterday. I asked for it this morning. I said it was due yesterday. You need to pay it today.
What was the amount?
$5.95.
$5 million. Obviously, at this point, I think my partner said you wanted him trespassed also.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Następnie policjanci przekazali mężczyźnie złe wieści, a sprawy przybrały zupełnie inny obrót.
She asked you for payment today, you did not, okay?
Okay, how did you-
So at this point, you're being asked to leave the premises, okay?
He does the same thing.
So
you do.
at this point, the
You're
West
the-
Palm Beach police
No,
officer
hey,
is
you haven't
asking you to
verified
grab
this.
your belongings
You're listening
and
to her
willingly
and taking
leave
it as
the
true.
property because she does not want you here.
Well, I'm not
Okay?
leaving. Go get the
So you have
handcuffs.
to leave.
Go get the handcuffs.
Okay.
You think this is fun? You like this? You got plenty of homework? You got the body cam done?
Oh yeah.
Good.
My body camera asked you to leave.
And then I see you aggressively throw me on the ground after I had shown no signs of being aggressive.
When we're trying to place you under arrest and you pull away like that,
I didn't pull away.
that's called resisting.
I did not pull away.
Okay.
Funkcjonariusz wstał i zaprowadził mężczyznę do radiowozu, który był zdenerwowany i twierdził, że nie stawiał żadnego oporu podczas aresztowania. Twierdził również, że funkcjonariusze nie mieli prawa kłaść na nim rąk, nie mówiąc już o powaleniu go na ziemię.
You made your decision. This is the outcome.
No, you're trying to represent dominance. You're like a big dog. You want to represent, you'd like to pee on me if you could. That just doesn't work. I'm too smart for that.
You have a specific pair of shoes or sandals or something? Okay. No, I'm trying to get your shoes and shirt on. I want your sweaty stuff on. Making my car all stinking dirty.
If you guys have attacked me, I would be so sorry.
Okay.
I never made an aggressive move other than challenging your intelligence. And that's probably the biggest offense that I ever made. And you look through my wallet to find me money? There was $500 in there. Okay. And it's gone when I come back. It must have been you.
Perfect. Everything's all on body camera.
Good. Okay, good. So it shows you breaking my civil rights. I'm
Good.
searched without a warrant.
Good. They didn't search anything. You got your clothes.
You walked into my apartment without my approval. You removed me from the scene so you
It's
could...
not your apartment anymore.
I would paid for it.
You've been kicked
I got
out. You
50
didn't
bucks in
provide
the
payment.
deposit.
Get in the car.
Mężczyzna twierdził, że doświadcza palpitacji serca i poprosił funkcjonariuszy o wezwanie ratowników medycznych. Był on przekonany, że otrzyma pomoc, co oznaczałoby zwolnienie go z aresztu bez płacenia kaucji pieniężnej. Ale niestety tak się nie stało.
You're not gonna get OR. The county got rid of that. You're gonna stay there all day. You'll see a judge first thing tomorrow morning.
That's my timeout. That's your guys' way of saying we're gonna make you smell of this thing that we have to live in.
They didn't make you do anything. You made the choice you made. So don't stop trying to blame everybody. Blame yourself. Blame yourself. Blame yourself. We didn't do
Okay,
anything.
House.
We asked you politely.
Fill out the report correctly, House. Maybe you get a...
I sure am.
All right, House.
I sure am.
Get you guys all stoked up on steroids and pumped up and all testosterone hostile. You go out and you have to use that testosterone up. You gotta find somebody to wrestle. So you pick on a 67-year-old man. That's brave. I want to see that right up on CNN and Fox News. The bravery of these men being able to wrestle down to the ground a 67-year-old man, potentially overweight. Definitely doesn't show any signs of working out.
Następnie funkcjonariusze zabrali mężczyznę do aresztu, gdzie został oskarżony o wtargnięcie oraz stawianie oporu podczas aresztowania. Jeżeli spodobał Ci się ten materiał, koniecznie sprawdź poprzednie odcinki.